Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to clone any app you have in your device, like WhatsApp, like mostly for those that have a lot of WhatsApp numbers, or for those that have a lot of WhatsApp number, and trying using external clone app. WhatsApp usually detects it and log out the account. So why when using this clone, the main phone clone apps? So using the main app phone clone app is usually the best because WhatsApp don't actually sign you out or say you should download the official app. So what you do is you go to your settings depending on the phone. Then so you search for app cloner or clone app depending on the search for clone app depending on the phone. Yours might be app cloner or clone. So as you can see here, mine is dual app. Yours mostly if you're using Redmi, it should be dual app. So you click on it and it's yet to be created, and you can see you can create 158 dual apps. This 158 is because the apps I have in my phone, I have 158 apps. That's why it shows that. Just might be different. So let's go and click on create. So the basically why this is recommended is that's the most apps that people usually clone a lot, which is WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. So first of all, I'll start with creating WhatsApp. So you can see creating the WhatsApp. All right, now it is, you can see, and we can open it, so we can go ahead also and also clone um, this also, and we can let's open it, let's see. And now, so now let's head over to here, and you can see this is the clone app, and this will work exactly as WhatsApp should do, with no restriction, no WhatsApp restriction. So if you have any other video you want me to do, just comment it in the comment section and I will try and do it also.